Welcome to the Cloudflare Workers workshop, where you will learn to write, test, and deploy Cloudflare Workers, the future of serverless computing. My name is Santiago Esteva, and I'll be guiding you through this course. I've started my career working on Java or web applications, transitioned to front-end, and where I became an architect. In this role, I have helped more than 50 products from inception to production. I've designed this course for anyone looking to write, test, and deploy applications, services, or microservices in the cloud's edge. The course is divided in 6 sections. The first 2 sections, you will get familiar with the tools and the setup. In section number 3, you will dive into 3 real use cases where Cloudflare Workers shine. Sections 4 and 5 will help you prepare your application for production. In the last section, you will get to apply all and everything you have learned so far while building a real use case application from idea to production. Feel free to take a look through the course description, and we look forward to seeing you inside.